Everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. And you guys probably see me not in my GTI at the moment. That's because I'm in my mom vehicle right now. She wanted me to do an oil change, so that's exactly what. So we finally here, so we're gonna get it up in the air right now. I already put the lift arms and everything is down already. This side is also underneath, so I'm gonna press you guys back down and then we're gonna get started. So look, I'm changing the shop game, y'all. Look what I'm wearing. Uggs. I'm changing the game, man. That's what it is. Alright, look like we have a 10 mil. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have to grab my light too, cause I can't. We have a 10 mil right here, 10 and 10. So let me grab a screwdriver to take it out, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Alright. So if you guys look, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all 10 mil. So go ahead and remove those. One right here. This one right here. Alright, and then one fell on the floor. Got that one as well. And then you'll be able to see the oil pan. Oil pan is right here. I believe that's a 14. And the oil filter is right there. So everything is down below. Oil filter and drain plug. So the drain plug is a 14 millimeter, and that's about it. I just popped it loose, real easy. And then the oil filter is on the other side, like I showed you guys. Oil is really filthy. I'm the one that changed it last time too. So my Duke's gonna be happy about this.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me.
So the oil filter should be like hand tight, to be honest. Shouldn't be that tight. There you go. And now we just got it off. It's draining. Then you want to double check. Make sure there's no gasket around the oil filter surface. So make sure you tighten your drain plug when you finish, and then make sure your filter is snug on there. Mine is pretty tight. It was hand tight before when I loosened it, so we should be good to put this piece back on. So let's go ahead and do so. Alright, that's exactly how it sits, like that. Get a screw in there. Okay. So we got all of them tight right now. So next step is to drop the car down low and put the oil in there. So let's do it. So I found a nail inside of here. I was gonna put air in there where the tire light is on. So I was gonna put air in the tire and then I saw a nail. So I'm gonna take it out and plug it for my mom. This is a long nail. So we just plugged it. So now we have to clean up the area a little bit and then we should be able to put air in it. So that's it. So we go ahead and fill it back up to spec now.
Dodo shared his location as 1225.
Filled it up to 33. 35 actually. We're gonna leave it there. That's good. So you just gotta put oil in it and we should be good. So we have 6 quarts in this jug and this job requires 5, so we gotta leave 1 quart out. Gotta leave an extra quart in this jug here. So we're just pouring it in right now. Doing this slowly because I don't want to spill any. So we gotta have a quart left over. Just don't want to be here. Yeah, they do wild shit up there, bro. Yeah. No. It get crazy.